Hello everyone, this is Nia from BIOBASE. So glad we meet again. As is known to all, the demand for vaccines is on the rise around the world. The research and development, transportation, and storage of vaccines have become the focus of people's attention. The transportation and storage of different vaccines have different requirements for temperature. The vaccine needs to be stored strictly at the temperature stated in the instructions to ensure its safety and effectiveness. Therefore, considering the safety and effectiveness of vaccines is very important to ensure the refrigeration temperature of vaccines during transportation. Today, we will recommend you a portable refrigerator for vaccine transportation. It's small in size and easy to carry. All of these features can solve the problem of vaccine transportation in emergency situations because it can be transported by air, shorten the transportation time. Its temperature range is 2 to 8 degrees, and it can keep content cooling up to 24 hours. At the same time, the real-time temperature can be displayed, which is convenient for temperature monitoring. This product is made of environmental PP material, food grade, non-toxic. Insulation material is PU, CFC-free, polyurethane. More importantly, it's very cost-effective. If you are interested in more details about this portable refrigerator, please contact us. It's time to say goodbye. Next time, we will introduce you vaccine refrigerators. See you. Bye.